Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create gift boxes for a wedding party and also a card box. This will be a part 1 of several DIYs I would like to share with you all. These were created for our vow renewal that we had in Hawaii in 2019. We did get married January 9th, 2003, but we never had a wedding. So since we were stationed in Hawaii for 3 years, we figured that would be the perfect opportunity to do so. You're going to start by measuring out your diamond wrap to place on the sides of the boxes. I did secure these by using my hot glue gun, but please make sure you are being very light-handed with the glue because it will seep through. You can add the diamond wrap to your liking. I just didn't want to overdo it. I also added the wording by using my silhouette machine. If you don't have a silhouette or a Cricut, you can use a stencil or the sticker letters from your local craft store. I did want to add a little more touch of elegance, so I found these roses on Amazon, and all items used in this video will be linked in the description box below. These are the items I used for the mother of the bride and the mother of the groom gift boxes. I did use the same items for the other 3 boxes except for the bracelet. Next up is the card box. I'll be using the same diamond wrap I use on the gift boxes, and I'm just going to create the same method. I'm going to measure out some of the diamond wrap and glue that down to the sides of the box. assembled the box together. Please make sure you come back for part 2 of this video. As always, I just wanted to say thank you so much for supporting my channel. Before you go, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also make sure you share my channel with a friend. Until next time, take care.